Welcome everyone to the Anypoint Code Builder download walkthrough. I'm going to take you through the steps that are required to get Anypoint Code Builder on any platform. The first step is to get an Anypoint Platform account. If you already have an Anypoint Platform account, then feel free to skip this step and move forward. Here I've entered in the required information. As you can see, there are red asterisks showing the required information. I've used an email that I know I can get a link to because they will email you. You go ahead and enter in a username and password. Keep up with those because you will need them to log into Anypoint Code Builder. You tell them that you're not a robot, agree to the terms, and go ahead and create an account. I skipped something here, so let's go ahead and put in a company name and 1 to 20 employees. There we go. All right, so I missed that. It'll let you know, and it's already logged us in. Check that out. I believe we didn't get a link in the email because I've already used that email address. They went ahead and just let us write in. So if you've ever used the same email, they'll bring you right in and you're already good to go. If you are using an email for the first time, then you would have to reference to that link and go and log in and everything. But we went ahead and got brought right in. So now that we have our Anypoint Platform account, the next step is to get Java on your device. You would go to the link that you see here. You also have this link in the walkthrough manual. We need Java 17. So you would click where I just clicked with the more downloads. You would come to Java JDK 17 and you would get the JDK, not the JRE. You would get it for whatever platform you're on. If you're using Linux or Windows, whatever, once it downloads, you would go to your download folder and go ahead and install and go through the prompts and put Java on your device. The next step in getting ACB, Anypoint Code Builder, is to get Microsoft's Visual Studio Code. Anypoint Code Builder actually runs inside of Visual Studio Code. So we need to get this downloaded first in order for us to get ACB. You would figure out which one of these you would need. You would again go with your platform and download from the user install. So for me, it's going to be Windows x64. We'll go ahead and bring this in. I'm doing this fresh so that way you can see what this looks like because there is a couple of extra things that you have to do in order to get this to install properly. So we go ahead and we accept the agreement. We click next. I'm going to put this in my programs. Yep, that looks good. And we'll call it Visual Studio Code. I don't need a start menu, but I do want a desktop icon. Everything else I leave default. And that looks good. And we'll go ahead and hit install. Let the little green bar go across and install on your device. After it's done, you can go ahead and leave that clicked so it'll automatically launch and press finish. Now we are in Visual Studio Code. Very simple, nice layout. I like to bring this open a little bit more so we can see what's going on. You come down here to extensions. You come and search for Anypoint extension. It might bring it up. Nope. Let's keep going. Pack. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so it brought it up. Anypoint extension pack is what you're going to search for. Once you see that nice MuleSoft logo with 8 items, let's go ahead and install. While this is installing, let's look at these 8 items that it's bringing in. So you have the dependencies, platform extension, integration extension, API kit, MUnit, data weave, runtime, everything is right here. You're going to be right here in Anypoint Code Builder, building out into your Anypoint platform. That's why you needed an account. You'll wait for this to download and install. And once it's done, I'll show you how to go ahead and log in to Anypoint Platform. I logged out of Anypoint Platform. It appears I was logged into my other account. I wanted to show you all what this looks like when you're not logged into Anypoint Platform. Right down here in the bottom right-hand corner, not logged in, you can click there. And you can also come over here and do the same thing at this icon. But this one's a little bit easier. You go ahead and you click allow. We're just opening up the Anypoint Platform account and authorizing access to an open window, to another window. There's my other account. Let's go ahead and get this account that I just created for you all, with you all. And you literally just put in your password, that username, and hit sign in. That's as easy as it can be. And it just logs you right in. You can confirm in the same spot that we just logged in. You can also confirm over here where I was telling you you could log in. And this is nice if you needed to sign into another account, you wanted to work in another team platform account, you could sign out and sign in with it. We're in business. Let's go ahead and check this out and see what this looks like. You come down here to the nice MuleSoft logo. There it is, ACB. You click on it, and we are ready to get to work. We have the options of creating, importing. You could import a Mule project from your platform account. Let's just go ahead and create, and let's do this. Let's design an API. And there it is. You just start entering in your information just like you would in Anypoint Platform and create a project. Perfect. You have downloaded Anypoint Code Builder onto your device and you are ready to get to work. Congratulations and thank you.